Welcome back to the Old Barn on Ann Street, and happy December to you. Today our focus is on the outside of the barn and the house. And a lot of our videos, they either focus on the work we're doing in the barn or the work we're doing in the house. And today it's a project that is relevant to both of them, because when we bought the property a year and a half ago and began to convert it into a rental house with 2 units, and then the barn into Janet's pottery studio with an event venue upstairs, there was just one driveway right in between the two of them. That really didn't work to service all 3 areas. So one of the things we've done is to address the parking outdoors, and that's what today's video is all about. So let's take a look. I really like the way that's turned out. It looks way different, and it's a much better parking situation. We are going to put some pavement on them, but not till next year. So for now and for the winter ahead, that's going to be the way the situation is. I'm really happy with it, and it serves all 3 of our locations or spots here at this location. Serves it well. But we're going to continue the work next week. So here's a clip from next week. You can see that the floor upstairs is carpet that's quite old, and in each of the rooms there's a different color carpet or a different age of carpet, it seems like, and so they replace some of the carpet at different times. And so what we're going to do is rip up all that floor, the carpet, and see what's on the floor underneath. We're not sure if we're going to rip up the one on the stairway and downstairs, because it's much newer and has really thick padding. We're going to wait to decide what to do with that later. But today we're just going to look at the flooring up here. So that's really going to be a lot of work. But starting next week, we're going to have another week of videos. It's going to be flooring week, and we're going to show all the different work we did on the flooring upstairs and downstairs in the house. A lot of work transforming it, and it's a lot to look forward to. So I hope to see you next week on the Old Barn on Ann Street. Until then, have a good week.